What's up guys, welcome back. You are watching the Money Drop. In this video I am going to show you how you can start mining free USDT TRS20 every single second using these free USDT mining sites with the name Blockton. Okay, you will get the link to this free USDT mining site in this video's description box. Okay, so when you click on the link you have to sign up, and by the way, this is my current account balance and I am going to withdraw it in this video right now. Okay, so let's go withdraw. Okay, so before you withdraw, click on account data down here now. Okay, and once you click on account data, you have to set up your email address. Enter your email address right here now. Okay, so let me enter my email address. Okay, and after that, the next thing here is to click on update so that you can be able to withdraw and they also reset your password if you wish to do that anytime you want. Okay, now let's go back and let's head on to my account and let's go withdraw. So click on this withdraw button right here now, and the minimum withdrawal here is about 25 USDT and the maximum withdrawal amount is about $100,000. Okay, so now let's go withdraw here now by entering the amount. I am going to be withdrawing 500 USDT. So let me show you guys the current amount of USDT that I have on Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is my account and I currently have about 551 USDT in my account, and this is my address. Okay, this is the address that I also used to sign up on the USDT mining site. Okay, now let's head on back to the site and I'm just going to click on confirm. All right, and let's see how it goes this time. And over here now, that request successfully. Okay, so now let us wait for them to process the payment. And if I click on my withdrawals over here now, you will see here that the withdrawal is currently pending. Okay, so let's wait for them to process the payment and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I receive the payment. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, I just received the payment right now in my Trust Wallet account. Okay, so let me refresh my account and you will see here that the status has changed to paid. Okay, now if I should head on to my account dashboard itself, you see here now that this is my new account balance, which is about 0.010 USDT. Okay, now let's go and check my Trust Wallet account and let's confirm if they sent the payment or not. Okay, so this is my new account balance right here in my Trust Wallet. Okay, and this is my new USDT account balance, which is over 1051 USDT, and this is the one that I just received right now, which is a payment of 500 USDT sent to me today around 6:43 p.m. Okay, so now you have just confirmed that the website is 100% legit and they paying. Okay, now let's go back to the site, and if you have not yet signed up, you get the link to sign up now in this video's description box. Okay, so when you click on the link, you click on register. When you click on register, you have to enter your wallet address, that is your USDT TRS20 Tether wallet address, and create a password. Okay, so let's log into my account right now. Once you have signed up, you scroll down and you will see it mining the free USDT for you. Okay, so as a free user, you'll be earning 0.00125 USDT per hour. You earn 0.03 USDT per day and over 0.9 USDT per month. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching guys. Stay safe and God bless.